All right, it's happening. Let's do it. This is insane. I love it. I love it. Anything insane I like. There you go. There you go. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's deflated. What do I do? Oh no. The wrinkles. No. Oh no. Oh no. What do we do? What do we do? We continue with the deflating. Let's go. All right. So at this point, I think you're probably thinking, wow, this guy's really nuts. All right. So let's just say right now I got punctured. Giant 8-foot shark decides to eat the tubes while I'm rib fishing. And I'm like, dude, I don't want to end my day. I'm sorry, I just don't. Oh man, look at that wrinkle in the front. I like it. Oh my God. Guys, so we've already deflated. Oh my God. Wait a second. We're completely deflated. Oh God. Oh no. Oh no, we've lost all our air, people. We're deflated in the middle of the ocean. What happens now? Padre nuestro que está en los cielos, santificado. I forgot it. Wait, well listen. The point is, nothing's gonna happen. All right, hypalon. What? Hypalon versus Chevy. Dale, 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 go, go, go. All right, baby. That's hypalon versus Chevy. Hypalon versus Chevy. Look, the valve is leaking. All right, guys. Now, if that doesn't make you a believer of hypalon, I don't know what will. But look at this.
Today's show was brought to you by the following sponsors. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And always remember, amazingness, that's what we do.